This is the complete guide to launching a TikTok shop and scaling it to 100 grand a month in the exact order it needs to be done. And that order matters more than you think, because TikTok deliberately holds new sellers back. Your orders are capped, your affiliate outreach is capped, and the big seasonal campaigns, you can't even touch them. Most sellers spend months trying to brute force through with more ads, more outreach, and they lose. Every step in the video is designed to break through those restrictions as fast as possible. I'm Ali. I run a TikTok shop partner agency that's generated a little over $250 million for our clients. And my mission with this channel is to help 100 brands hit 10 million in GMV on TikTok shop before the end of 2027. And if it's that you, let's get into it. First, you have to understand why everything is stacked against you. Here's the thing nobody tells beginners when they launch a shop. TikTok's intentional restrictions for you at the start. New sellers get an order cap, around 50 orders a day, until you build trust with the platform. There is a probation on affiliate outreach. You are capped on how many creators you can message until you generate real GMV. And TikTok shop campaigns, you can't even touch those at the beginning. So the game is not more outreach or more spending on the ads. The game is how do you punch through these restrictions as fast as possible in the right order. That's the entire point of this video. Do these steps out of order, you will waste months. On TikTok shop, the funnel is that simple. You or creators make content, customers watch that content, customer click the link and land on your listing, customer buy. That's it. 4 steps. If people are landing on your listing and not buying, you have a leak. And every video you post, every affiliate video that goes live, every sample you ship, that's water pouring into a leaking bucket. So before we touch traffic, we fix the conversion mechanism. So that's the step 1. Shop setup and listing that converts. Your listing is really just 2 things, the price and the listing assets. Early on, when you are launching, keep the lowest possible launch price. How can you decide your launch price? First, see how much your competitors are selling for. To do this, open the TikTok mobile app and search your product name in the search box. Go to Shop tab and look at the pricing and the offers for other brands selling similar products. Now see if you can be the cheapest. Most of the time, you won't be. And that's okay. When you are just starting out, it's fine to break even. Remember, this is a launch price, so keep it as aggressive as you can. You can always raise your prices later. To set your launch price, you can use our free online tool. Just search for Kicksmart TikTok Profit Calculator. It will help you find your break-even price on TikTok Shop. Do you know the average time between someone seeing your product for the first time on their For You page and hitting checkout is about 42 seconds. Nobody is reading your description. Nobody is digging through reviews. They are swiping through your images. A bad listing looks like this. One vague product shot, a title like Total Body Relief, and nothing that tells me what it is and what it's for or why I would buy it. That listing leaks. Now that's what good look like. Medicube, one of the top performing brands on TikTok shop. Some of our creators promote their products. Look at their listing. Clear brand identity, before and after, a review slide. Every single image kills one objection. The images are not decoration, they are the sales page. So your image stack should be hero shot, biggest benefit with a bold claim, before, after or demo, ingredients or feature breakdown, social proof, offer recap, 6 slides, 6 objection handled, all inside those 42 seconds. Get this right first, because now the bucket holds water and now we turn on the traffic. Here's how the biggest brands think about the content. They don't ask what video should I make. They ask how do we get to 1,000 videos as fast as possible. Across the 43 million in GMV we have managed over the last 12 months, the pattern has been consistent. Once a product reaches a certain number of posted videos, TikTok's algorithm start treating it completely differently. It gets more exposure, better search placement, and greater organic reach. And there are 2 engines that produce that volume. Engine 1, your own seller page. I know what you are thinking. Ali, I don't want to post my own content. I hear this from founders every single week. But here's what we have seen across every brand we manage. TikTok Shop quietly prioritize sellers who post on their own page. They won't say it publicly, but the data across our portfolio is consistent. They want customers building a relationship with the brand, not just the affiliates. So 1 post a day on your seller page. If you are a solo operator, film it yourself. If you can't be on camera, makes faceless content for your page. Use AI. There are creators doing over 500,000 every month just with AI content, and you can find tutorial videos on this on our channel. And don't reinvent the wheel on ideas. Find what's already trending in your product category, the hook, the meat, the call to action, and make your version. Winning formats leave fingerprints everywhere on this platform. Engine 2. Affiliates. The biggest lever on TikTok Shop. Here's the fact: your own page will maybe do 1 to 5% of your revenue. On most of the shops we run, 95% of the revenue comes from affiliates and the product card. And this leads to the most common misconception I have to kill on every strategy call. You do not need a following to win on TikTok Shop. Some of our best performing brands have under 500 followers on their own account. TikTok Shop is not a brand channel, it's an affiliate channel. Your follower count is irrelevant, your creator count is everything. So the rest of this video is about building that creator network. Step 3. Before you reach out to affiliates, make sure your settings are correct. If you don't, TikTok's default settings can work against you. Go to the affiliate tab, affiliate center. Here's the checklist. Open collaboration. Turn this on. This lets any affiliates on the platform promote your product without an invite. At the launch stage, there is zero reason to have this off. You want maximum surface area. Commission rate. Be competitive. Set your standard commission between 20% and 30%. A competitive commission helps you attract more creators, but it's not the only thing they consider, especially if you are a new brand with little or no sales. One common misconception is that setting a 20 to 30% commission means you'll pay that rate on every sale. In reality, your effective commission rate is much lower. That's because many sales come through product cart purchases, which don't incur affiliate commissions, or through shop ads, which typically have a lower commission rate. So while offering a higher commission may seem expensive, your actual commission cost across all TikTok Shop sales is much lower. Shop ads commission. This is what affiliate earn when you amplify their videos with GMV max ads. Protect your margins. Set this around 5 to 10%. Free samples. Do not use auto-optimized samples. You want to control over who gets the product. Set request threshold to 0 at the start. You can restrict by GMV and views later once demand picks up. Refundable samples. This one is underrated. It lets an affiliate buy your product, and if they generate just one sale, they get a full refund. Why is this powerful? Because an affiliate who puts their own money down is invested. They are not sample collectors, they are partners. And it means you can start recruiting creators with basically zero upfront capital. Set the threshold at 1 sale, or maybe 2, but not 5. Vetting sample request. When requests come in, look at 3 things mainly: 30-day GMV. Are they actually selling? Average views per video, and the one most important is fulfillment rate. That's the percentage of samples they have received that actually turn into videos. Under 70%, be cautious. Over 80% is what I like to see. There is no single hard cutoff. A monster GMV number can make up for a mediocre fulfillment rate. But check all 3 before you ship the product. Recruiting affiliates. Now comes the outreach. Here's the bottleneck. TikTok caps you at around 2,000 affiliate outreach messages per week through the affiliate center until you have done $2,000 in affiliate driven GMV in a month. It's completely backwards. You need creators to get revenue, but you need revenue to unlock creators. Welcome to TikTok Shop, where we play by the rules. So early on, outreach is manual. There are 2 methods. Method 1, use the TikTok app, not the seller center. Response rate in seller center inbox are not good, and creators actually reply to DMs. Search your product category. Say you sell a massage device. Search massage device. Tap the search tab. Scroll down to the see it in action section. Those are the top performing affiliate videos for that exact product. Every one of those creators has already proven they can sell your category. Tap the profile, hit message. Do this for every creator on every top competitor listing in your niche. Method number 2, data tool creator sniping. This is the method behind most of our results at the agency. Take a competitor brand crushing it in your category. Plug them into an analytics tool like Data Fastmost. Open their shop page, click into their best selling product. Set the window to 180 days and scroll to the creator list. This is a pre-vetted roster of every affiliate who has already generated revenue for a product that solves the same problem as yours. Everything here comes back to one question: what problem does my product solve? Search brands solving those same problems, not just identical products. If you sell a sleep supplement, your creator pool is not just supplement affiliates, it's everyone selling anything in the sleep space. Then it's back to your phone. Look up each username, send the DM. Keep it simple. Hey, saw the numbers you did with competitor brand. We make X product, and I would love to have you on the team. Commissions at 25%, and I'll ship you a free sample today. Now let's talk about the volume. How many messages you should actually be sending? During launch, we are sending 5 to 10 messages a day every day. So alongside all of that, there is a method that is target collaboration. TikTok lets you to send invites to the creators to promote your products through its affiliate center. When you are brand new, you start with tier 1. At this stage, you can target creators of any following. There's no followers cap at all, but you can only get to invite 1,000 creators in total. And that 1,000 limit does not reset on a weekly timer. It's locked until you land your first order from an affiliate video. That order can come through organically, or you can speed it up by arranging a giveaway. The moment that first order comes in, you unlock tier 2. In tier 2, your outreach limit jumps to 2,000 creators and resets every week. But now there's a followers cap. You can only target creators under 20,000 followers. At this stage, you have to be smart with your invites. There are lots of big GMV creators with small following, but they typically don't request samples from new brands on the platform. So your focus should be more on creators who make higher quality content than on their GMV. Try to get more and more creators in your niche. Besides looking at their stats, check TikTok profiles manually and see if their vibe matching your product type. Don't ignore a creator because he or she has lower GMV. Focus on relevancy and quality. You stay in tier 2 until you hit $2,000 in GMV generated from affiliate videos. One more thing here, don't just wait around for that $2,000 to happen on its own. Run GMV max ads on the videos and go aggressive with it. Set your target ROI as low as 1, even if that's what it takes. The goal is speed. You want to hit that $2,000 GMV threshold and unlock tier 3 as fast as possible. And GMV max is the lever that can get you there quicker. Once you cross that $2,000 mark, you unlock tier 3. And this is where things open all the way up. No followers cap anymore. You can reach out to the creators of any size. Your weekly outreach limit becomes 7,000 creators. So you get a fresh 7,000 creators every single week. Now keep approving samples requests fast. Aim for 5 to 10 approvals a day. So to keep the pipeline moving. This is a stage where it makes sense to switch from manual outreach to bot outreach. You can use automation tools for creator collaborations like Truva, Yuka, or Reacher to help you actually use the full 7,000 instead of leaving reach on the table. Check them out and pick whichever tools fits. Our team mainly uses Truva, but Yuka and Reacher are equally good. The more aggressively you use that weekly reset, the faster you grow. And once you are actually on tier 3, now you can ease off that aggressive ROI 1 approach. That was to force your way through tier 2 and unlock this stage. Now that you have momentum, orders coming in, creators already posting, you can set your target ROI back up to something like 3 or more. You don't need to run it aggressively anymore. The volume and the proof are already working in your favor. Also optimize your GMV max settings to make it run smoothly. Go in and exclude the creatives that are just eating up most of the spend without generating revenue for you. Cut that dead weight out of the campaign. If you are running multiple products, separate out two. Isolate the products that's generating the most orders and the most revenue, and let your GMV max settings focus around that winner instead of spreading spend evenly across everything. Now, if you are following what I have shared, that is, you're shipping out 7 to 10 samples every day to the right creators and running GMV max and optimizing it, you should easily be doing 30 to 50 grand a month. Once you are doing $10,000 GMV month, use the Kickstarter profit tracker. You need to know if you are actually profitable, and most sellers genuinely don't know their real numbers. Kickstarter breaks everything down creator wise, so you know which affiliates are actually netting your money. Product wise, so you know which listings are real winners, and your overall profit. The full picture across your whole shop, what you are spending and what your actual profit looks like after all of this. Full transparency. I am one of the co-founder of this software, but we have got the most installs and the most ratings in the category. So I'm comfortable saying that it's hands down the best profit tracker on the market. Now, if you want to scale up to 100 grand a month in GMV, the manual work becomes too much for one person to handle. This is where you need an actual team on the account to keep everything running smoothly. At our agency, we have 3 people working on one store. To get to the 100 grand a month, the first thing you do at this stage is double down on the creators who are already performing well for your brand. Engage with them constantly and give them a reason to keep pushing. Build incentive programs for your top affiliates. For example, if a creator generates $10,000 in revenue, to give them a $1,000 cash bonus. If they hit 25 grand a month, you give them $2,500. If they hit 50 grand, you give them $5,000. So it's a tier system, meaning if a creator does say $23,000, they get a $1,000 cash prize. And if you have creators who are performing exceptionally well consistently, you can offer them a retainer. Lock them into a contract for a set number of videos a month instead of leaving it purely on a commission base. With that, you need your GMV max running perfectly and your ads optimized, and you need to keep a strong, steady quantity of samples going out. This part matters more than people think. Once you have hit a certain GMV level, don't break that momentum, because the moment you do, TikTok pulls back and your GMV takes a real hit. I'll say this from my experience building massive affiliate networks for our clients. We are managing brands that are at 5, 7 or even 10 ROI on their ad spend, generating way more than 100 grand a month in GMV. Is absolutely achievable once the team, the sampling, the ads optimization are all working together at the same time. That's the full system. That's the exact order. Look, I can only cover so much ground in our 20 to 25 minutes video. If you want a granular, step-by-step deep dives into how we build these affiliate networks or optimize our GMV max campaigns, go check out the other videos on my channel right now. If you hit a roadblock trying to implement these, drop your questions in the comment below. I am personally in the comments answering you guys.